What is up, everybody? It is Drake here once again with DSF Financial, showing like-minded individuals the ATM business and how I'm making my money work for me through passive income. Today is actually a little bit of a surprise video. Yesterday, I actually ended up getting a phone call from another hotel. Hotel owners like to talk, and one ATM location that I have, the GM mentioned my name to another owner, and I got a phone call from that owner. And he's actually requesting an ATM or trying to find out information about the ATM. So I'm more than happy to give it. He called yesterday, so I'm actually about to head over there now. Since I want to be 100% ready, I do have an agreement with me, and I'm going to be bringing the ATM. I'm actually going to be using this ATM here, the Hyosung, and this is actually one that I took out of the rec center, which unfortunately was rather dusty due to lack of use. Definitely wasn't used very much, and it's dusty because of it. So I want to go through, do a quick cleaning of the ATM. So when I show up to the meeting in an hour, I will actually have an ATM that is 100% ready in the car. And yes, I am using a different car because my two-door doesn't quite cut it. Now to clean the ATM, I'm actually going to be using just a simple Clorox wipe. And then I have the air canister, the sprayer, and I'm going to pull out the cassette, dust that all out, and then make sure it's ready for some more transactions. All right, so you can see here, I'm just wiping the machine down with simple Clorox wipes. Yes, they are available now, luckily. Just wiping them down. I like them because they do dry quick. I don't have to worry about them sopping the machine wet, and messing up the electronics. I also went ahead, I sprayed a duster in there to clear out some dust. And then what I'm doing here is I'm actually taking a key card cleaner. Hotels use these to clean the door key locks, and works really well to clean our ATM key card readers. Now, I didn't show it here, but I did get the agreement taken care of. I walked into the meeting, and the owner is awesome. He had his team with him, and it was a really good experience. He's even going to try and find me some new locations, which I am very, very thankful for. The crew over there is stellar. Now, what I'm doing here is I am marking, or I went ahead, I marked some spots in the carpet with a Sharpie to where I would be drilling. It did take a second for me to actually find the Sharpie marks because, yes, the carpet was a little dark. Now, one thing I was planning on doing, I was planning on only doing one anchor just because I didn't want to mess up the carpet. But after thinking about it for a second, I decided to add in a couple more just in case. The machine with one anchor just doesn't cut it. The last thing I want to happen is somebody to pull down on the machine, and it could fall on somebody if they put enough pressure on the machine and there's only one bolt in the anchor. So I went ahead, I added in a couple more. As you see here, I'm just using a simple ratchet to securely bolt the machine down. Now, after having the machine bolted down, I cleared out the dust and whatnot from drilling into the concrete. Now I'm just going through the machine completely, making sure there's no loose connections, and running the antenna wires into the back of the machine.
What happened? Filming.
Oh. I'm gonna hire him.
Okay. No, it's gonna be his part-time.
Part-time, okay.
No part-time, because it's gonna be full-time over here, man.
It's gonna be recording.
We need the staff here.
Just staff here.
What's up, man? What was your name?
Sai.
Sai?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, brother. Drake. be it.
Hey, do you know fun thing when the vending machine? Do you have any vending machine?
I don't.
Okay, so in the vending machine, what happens is when the owners come, they tell the hotel owners if they want to grab something from them or from that vending machine.
Sometimes.
But
ATM and go insert.
he has the card for PNC Bank. Then he don't have to pay charge.
He's still you.
Oh, he's still
Yep.
does. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, so success with the ATM fully installed. As you saw here, I got a full team going, all helping out over here. I love it. Come on, check out the Comfort Suites. It's a beautiful property. It has a beautiful ATM, beautiful rooms, beautiful kitchen. Hard to beat. I hope you guys enjoy your day. It is Tuesday, I think, for me. Yes, Tuesday it is. It's been an awesome one. Have a beautiful day. Peace, 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 peace. Woo. Enjoy the day, but keep grinding, keep hustling, keep striving for more every day like it's Monday. Till next time, guys. Later.